Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can view the status of people secretly on WhatsApp. It's very much simple and easy. It's nothing complicated. All you need to do is just turn on the settings in your WhatsApp and you're good to go. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So to do this, just hop on your WhatsApp like this and then tap on the three dots here. And now let's move to our settings here. So on our settings we just move to our privacy. So let me tap on that. Good. So on our privacy here, you can see read receipt here. So on default, it should be turned on. So if you just want to view people's stats secretly, you just turn it off like this. So when you turn it off, when you view the stats of somebody, you're not going to appear in their viewers list, something like that. And also the same applies to you. When you post a stat and someone views it, you're not going to see the viewers. So you do it to them, they also do it to you. That's it. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. In my previous video, I talked about how you can turn off WhatsApp blue tick. So if you want that content as well, I think you should check my channel and you're going to see that. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.